What's up there, buddy? Okay, so today we're going to check out Genesis 9 body shapes. Okay, do we need them? Do we want them? Hell yeah. These are actually pretty damn cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. They come with a host of cool things here. Full body bases, the usual that you get, but they work really nice with the 9 man. I'm not gonna lie. They look great, detailed. So straight off the bat, it's all HD now, which is nice. You get the details, the arms. The cool thing is you can go into the arms now. I think you could have before that lat size, scapula, chest, base, rib cage, sternum. Love this kind of stuff. Ton on the boobs, man. If you want to design boobs, you got it all there. Chest masculine. Okay, you got chest for masculine too. I love these. The fat, the mass feet and the mass ankles and the depth, the arch depth, foot arch. Oh, jeez, I don't know what it is. Hands, fingers. I mean, you can get a lot of control. I love the neck ones. I use those always a lot. I taper the necks nicely, make them a bit smaller. Trap size, I use a lot. It's wicked. And then a whole thing on the glute. Okay, normal people call it the ass. How? The glute. Hip bone, hip, pelvic. This is all cool. Legs, calves, knees, taper, shin. You've got a ton of stuff here, which is cool. And the waist. Pregnant, stomach depth, navel out. This is cool. This is cool. Product included. Okay, that's great. Really a lot. I thought they had this other thing where they can make it small people or big people, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that full mental. Just like I do in life, muscular, older, thin, tony body. Full body feminine, body pair, full body masculine, portly and stocky. Okay, so you've got a lot of cool things here. Um, Really cool things here. Yeah, all the blue ones you see here are kind of those. This also includes the face ones, but we'll deal with the face ones another time. But I mean, you can change everything here, which is really cool. Upper mass arms, yeah, that's pretty cool. Taper forearm A, damn, that's cool. Start creating your wonder well, whatever it's called. Lat size, okay, no, we want a nice little, dainty little thing. Damn, I'd be scared of that if I saw that. Scapular depth, these are your things over here. Uh, where's it? Scapula. Here's your scapula here, your scapular size, which is cool. You can get definition. Collarbone detail, which is wicked. Is that part of this thing? I gotta make sure this is yep, collarbone. Which is really cool. The details of the collarbone, that's cool, man. Upper, okay, that's the whatever. The rib cage arch, this is cool. Look at that. Look at the rib cage. This is cool, man. See, if you want to make complete original characters, this is definitely a nice way of doing it. You need this. Then you need this if you want to really customize your characters. This is a fantastic tool. I'm hoping they come out with something that is even more defined. I mean, look, at the end of the day, a lot of the time I'll do something, I'll get a nice base, and then it goes straight through to ZBrush. So I use a lot of ZBrush with this kind of thing. Okay, then there's a ton on the boobs. I mean, they love their boobs. For a place that, damn, that's monstrous, eh? For a place that doesn't like nudity, they sure add a ton for the boobs there. I mean, my God, what 80% of this thing is just boobs and nips? Okay, cool. It's all good. It's all good. Pectoral. Okay, then it still goes on to the pecs and the cleavage and the my God, sag. Uh, Mass ankles. This is pretty cool. I liked it a lot. This is pretty cool here. The arch in the foot, that's pretty cool, man. I love this kind of detail. Gankles, no gankles. Gankles, no gankles. Mass feet, bleh, bleh, bleh. So you're getting some cool things. And then you've got like your entireties. So you've got your sliders for the whole body. The whole body. Proportion toes length. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's the toes. Okay. Okay, proportion toes length. Okay, cool. Right, let's check out the body. Emancipated. Damn. Can make some cool zombies like this. Body fitness. Damn. With them details. With them HD details. That's cool. Damn, look at that, eh? Looks good. Looks really good. Beautiful. Let's have a look here. Body heavy. Damn. Life. Okay. More skinny ones there. Body muscular. God damn, I would run. I would run. That would beat me. That would beat me. I would be scared. Anyway, that's cool. Body older. I mean, they're cool. This older one is cool, but it's not an old body. It needs the maps and the normals and all the deformations to go with it. So although it gives you a nice base, it's a base. Then you need to go into something like ZBrush and finish it off thin again, body tone. Okay, cool. Very nice though. I mean, if you're looking to create your own characters, it's a must. This thing's a must. Mass. Okay, cool. Body pair figure. Okay, cool. Body voluptuous. And obviously you can mix them. The thing about this is subtlety. You know, you can go subtle. You can go subtle and whatever, stocky. So, and some of these are for men, so it's fine. Finger width and all this kind of stuff. This is all cool. You know, you can, how fat and how thin the fingers are, mass hands. All of this is fantastic to have. They're awesome to have because you can create such crazy things with this. Sharp nails, this is cool. The length of the nails, damn. Get some of that. Let's go with that body thin. Damn, yeah. And what about that? Let's add a little bit of it emancipated. Yes, something like this. Make like a zombie or a scary. Okay, that's probably too much. Probably too much. Just go something like that. That's cool. Body tone. Let's put some tone in that body. Let's put a little bit of, let's see here, body fitness. All right, she works out. She works out. Damn, you can, so, I mean, you can create some cray. Okay, some cray stuff. Stocky. Put a little bit of stock in that thing. Finger width, finger hands, nails. Okay, that's all cool. Cranium height. Okay, this is more for the head, so this isn't the body. That's not the body. Anything to do with the head is a different one. Skull, no. Ears, no. Face, no. Brow. We'll go over all these as well. This is the facial morphs one, which is awesome. I mean, that together with this, you can create a ton of cool characters, man. A tongue, mouth, teeth. That's all the other ones. Nose, ASO, no, mass. Okay, mass neck. This is one. So this is pretty cool. The mass of a neck. Oh man, let's just get rid of that light. That is really cool. I like this. I use these a lot, like tapering and stuff. I quite like this. Tape of the bee. These are pretty cool. And then obviously the trap size, which is really nice to have. That's cool. I like that. Like it a lot. Glute. That's the ass. The ass. You can get some stuff with the ass crease. Okay. Glute depth. Upper ass. You can play with the upper ass. Which is cool. Glute size. Junk in them trunk. You know what I'm saying? This is cool as well. Add like a little bit of that because we're making like a skeleton thing. Okay, but just a little bit. I mean, why does it need to have an ugly ass if... Here we go. That's nice. The little dimples on the back, which is wicked. I love these little things. The bone size, the hip bone size, the minge, the pelvic tilt. This is all cool, man. This is really all cool. The little definition on the V. This is cool. That's awesome. Then you get the calf size and stuff like this, which is all pretty damn cool. This is all nice to have. Calf size. Look at this. This is cool. The bones on the knee, which is awesome. Yes, this is awesome. And the shins, this is all cool. Taper, shin A. Okay, so you can taper these things, taper them. Oh man, this is all fantastic. This is wicked. The depth of the whatever's thighs, the strength of it. Damn, look at this. See? You see the kind of, I mean, you can go in and you can tweak forever. Love handles. Damn. take away the love handles a little bit. Abdominal width. Oh yeah, man, this is crazy. Define. Yes, define it. Define it. I mean, no, that's not. Don't want that. Navel. You've got the navel with it. Pregnant. Damn. This thing got a baby. Damn. But look at the kind of. Look at the kind of characters you can make. This is cool. Waist depth. Okay, that's for the waist. Waist depth. Okay, a little bit. Stomach, lower. Damn, I like this, man. Soften. Okay, it softens the sides. Waist depth. Push it out a little bit. Push that baby out a little bit. Yeah. So, I mean, wow, man. You can go in and you can create till your heart's content. This is wonderful. This is awesome. What else they got? Let's have a look here. Nope. None of that. I look down. Nope, that's not part of this. That ain't part of this, boy. Let's see if we got any more. Nope. Damn titties. I think that's it. So this has got a really cool kind of a, and obviously you can go guys. I mean, they've got a lot of different things, but you can see straight away if you want to create some of your own characters and give them your own unique look. This is it. This is a fantastic one to have. This along with the facial morphs, which we'll go over next time. This is awesome, man. So highly recommended. I think you need it. These are the big boys that you do need when you're getting into a character, and you don't want to buy a ton of characters. At the end of the day, remember, a lot of these characters are made like with well, you know, the ones that look kind of normal are made like this. They put their spin on it, and they put their own textures on it and whatnot, and do a couple of things. The more advanced ones, yes, sure, they go into ZBrush and they get made or whatever. But if you want like a whole host of different characters that you want to make quite quickly, this is a fantastic way to do it. This along with the face, which we'll go over in the next one. Highly recommended, man. If you are into your characters and designing your own characters and wanting to manipulate them and change them and stuff and have absolute control over them, okay, well, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and see you later. Bye, guys.